here is the truth, exactly how I remember it. And perhaps in being so, it is inevitably undone. Here, when the hour is late and the bottle long gone, where thoughts like constellations blur in and out of focus, nothing more than buoyant memories, aqueous melancholy. The shoreline recedes into darkness, betraying grains of the past. They catch light of the moon, giving song and sparkle to this late night tale. Here's the truth, I swear. Word for word, picking through a pile of sedimentary emotion. The crackle of fire, the cold in my bones and the pitter-patter of rain takes me back. Echoes of footfalls crushing fallen leaves. All that's left of the yellow wood, racing back in time, back to where it all started, the beginning of the end.
Yeah, all is good. Tell me how everything is going there. You feel okay? What's new? What's happening there?